In this video, I will show you how to manage groups and their settings. On the navigation menu on the left, we go to Packages, where we can view all our subscribed packages. The filters on the top limit the view to the following. The All filter shows all packages across RealmJoin and Intune, including mobile packages and Windows Store packages. RealmJoin shows only RealmJoin packages deployed via the RealmJoin client. The Intune filter shows only Intune Win packages deployed via Microsoft Intune. The Updates Only filter limits the view to packages where a newer version of the package is available. The Automation Only filter limits the view to packages where automatic deployment is configured. Now let's find Adobe Reader in the search bar. The search box on the left gives you instant results as you type in the name of the application. As this is a managed package, all the corresponding groups have been created and the package is already assigned to these groups. Now let's go to the Config tab to configure this package to add a language pack. Let's scroll down to the Technical Help section where we find a parameter for the language. We copy out the language parameter and paste it after the install with a space /language : DEDE for German. We click Save, and now this package will be installed in a German language. To receive notifications of available updates, activate the notifications and add the recipient's email address. We activate the notification and we add an email address here. To complete the deployment lifecycle, we configure the automation settings. We set the main channel for 3 days, and we set the preview channel for 1 day. Once a new version is available, the package will be automatically deployed within the defined time frame. This concludes the application deployment lifecycle.